Just brought around Vale and it's pissing down, of course. It's bucketing. Hallelujah.
Oh, it's pissing down. Awesome, I'm happy.
Just buy around Vale and you make the rain come. It's really bucketing. Did not expect that. The gardens will be extremely happy with this. Praise the Lord, we got rain. Long time coming. Really coming down. Really taken off after that rain. I've got some calendula over the back there, some beautiful purple borage flowers. There's a sunflower down. Let's see if I can get it in amongst the pumpkins and the borage and the whatever else. There. Starting to die off now, but there you go. It's been blooming for a while. Hopefully I can save some seeds from it. The tomatoes are taking off. There's actually an almost ripe one on the little cherry tomato. The carrots are still there. I'm letting them go to seed this year. Tomatoes, more tomatoes. Rosemary, mugwort, mint, comfrey. More mugwort. Look how massive that mugwort is. Pumpkins and tomatoes behind them. Lots of different plants. There's basil in this one. But yeah, it's all starting to really take off now with all that rain we just had, so that's awesome. Such a pretty flower garden there with the pumpkins on the end. Very pretty. Clean as been. Nice clean kitchen. Clean bathroom in there. Awesome. Thanks NDIS for allowing me to have a nice clean house. Really low, like you can't see the tree in the camera, but maybe if I turn the thing on, you might be able to see it. How low that is, that's so weird. Can't see the tree, but the tree's just here and it looks like it's like just up in the trees there. Very, very strange.
Nearly higher than Mount Marley in tower.
Yeah. Just looks really, really freaky. Freakishly low. Wow. Never seen it like that before. Off to Warwick today again. With only $200 left after paying bills, so this should be interesting. Still got to buy horse food. Anyway, that's the story of my life.